In this episode, we're going to look at the Folomov single-cell magnetic USB charger with charge and discharge capabilities. This has got to be the smallest charger I have seen for lithium-ion cells yet. I have another battery charger-discharger here. This one will charge at up to 1,000 milliamps. It'll charge and discharge a battery. And this one's used with lithium-ion single cell, and it's magnetic. So you can basically just stick it onto a cell. Let's open this one up and take a look at this one. So basically it's just a cord with a couple of magnetic electrodes, and you basically just stick one on one side of the battery, and you stick the other one on the other side of the battery. If it lights up red, which it just did, that means that my polarity is incorrect. So I'll turn it around. No red light means my polarity is correct. And it is marked positive and negative. So that being the positive side of the battery, and the other side being the negative. But if you do mess it up, it does have polarity protection. So once you've connected your battery, you can just plug in a standard USB type charge cord and plug the other end into your phone, and it will turn blue. The end lights up blue here, as you can see. And now this is powering the cell phone, and as you can see, the battery is now starting to charge. So the specifications, it has a maximum charge and discharge current of 1,000 milliamps. And it's compatible with lithium-ion batteries. It has overcharge and over-discharge protection, constant current and stable voltage in charging mode, reverse polarity protection. The output is DC 5 volts at 1 amp, and the input is DC 5 volts at 1 amp. And it's compatible with the following batteries: 32-650, 26-650, 25-500, 22-650, 21-700, 20-700, 18-700, 18-650, 18-500, 18-490, 18-350, 17-670, 17-500, 17-335, 16-340, 14-650, 14-500, 10-440, 10-350, and 10-340 batteries. And that's the specs for this little unit. To say it will charge my battery. As you can see, my phone is charging now. And once my phone is charged and I wish to recharge this battery, we just reverse this and we plug this into our USB charger. So to charge up a cell, standard USB adapter. Plug it in. The light flashes green. As you can see, when the battery is charged, the light goes out. Automatic charging. Doesn't get much simpler than that. There's not a whole heck of a lot I can show you guys on this thing. It's all sealed up, so I'm not going to crack this one open because there wouldn't be much to see in here anyway. Just be the charge controller. Not so sure if it'll charge a phone at the same time. Let's see what happens if I plug my phone in at the same time. And there it is. It's charging. Not only is it charging up the lithium cell, but it's also charging my phone. Obviously it would be doing it at a reduced current because some of it's going to be going to the cell here, others going to be going to the phone, but looks like it will do both. So that's about it. The Folomov dual function charger discharger for standalone lithium cells. If you're using these lithium cells, they're great because, I mean, if you're using one of these fancy little flashlights like one of these ones here, you need to have a charger. So if you don't think you need a fancy charger, this might be all you need. It's portable, easy to carry around, and the only downside I can see to something like this is it being magnetic. You wouldn't want to carry one of these around in your pockets if you've got any credit cards or anything with magnetic stripes, because, well, you could damage them, and you can't stick them together because these are kind of super magnets. They're gonna really push it apart. I can't push this together. They're really quite strong. In case you're wondering what would happen if you're not paying attention and you've already got power applied to it and you put your battery on backwards, this is what will happen. Absolutely nothing. Just a red light comes on here to tell you that your polarity is incorrect and that you need to turn your polarity around. And once again, if I unplug it from power and plug my phone into it, it's going to light up blue to indicate it's now discharging the battery. Doesn't get any simpler than that. Thanks for watching.